ready to come over. No, man, come over. Right, fine. Fine, call me in the morning and we'll go and have breakfast.
Careful nak ha, baka madulas ka. Wow, ang aking Spider-Man.
Yes, picture, yes.
Ang galing naman ng Spider-Man ko. Oo. Pak, pak, ganun.
Para Spider-Man.
Huwag na maghawak sa titi.
Wow! Wow! Yun!
Yeah, I should have told you. It's just another night in the moon. I didn't.
Init. Ba nainitan, nak? Ang aking nak-nak na Spider-Man, di ba yan naiinitan? Spider-Man. Di ka ba nainitan? Ha? Po. Po ka? O, ito. Po ka dito, Spider-Man.
Ilaway-laway niya ngayon yan. Mas niya. Laba mo nilang lab.
Ang aking Spider-Man.
Who said that? That riding in a second mate. You've known all along.
Careful, ha?
Where are you?
No running, please.
Oh, Rui.
Shivering down
Come on, move.
your spine.
Puppet, come to me, come to me. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on.
Careful, nak.
Grabe na. Upo. 1, 2, 3, upo. Go.
Paano umupo si Spider-Man?
Upo, Spider-Man.
Careful, nak. Ba't ganyan maglakad si Spider-Man? Ha? Ganyan ba maglakad yung si Spider-Man?
Ang camera mo. Hindi na sa'yo.
To do what you can't. To remove those no way. We killed them. Remember? A little accident in the laboratory. Think so. Me. The greatest creation. Bringing you what you've always wanted. Power beyond your wildest dreams. And it's only the beginning.
Careful, nak, ha?
There's only one. Or imagine if you joined us. Spider-Man. The Green Goblin. Green Goblin. Like that? I did that myself. This weirdo's all gonna have a name now.
Mr. Jameson,
Hoffman? Well, the patent office got the red name Green Goblin. I want a quarter every time somebody says, Green you mean?
Spider-Man wasn't attacking the city. He was trying to say that that's slander.
It is not. I resent that. Slander is spoken.
Oh, come on. Spider-Man, my boy. Spider-Man, my boy.
Please, boy, get out of here. Let him sue me. Get rich like a normal person. That's what made this country. I swear.
He's the one who
Sure. Sure.
you are useless.
Sure.
Papa Peach.
Sure. Sure.
I knew you.
Louie, no running, please.
You're not good. Just paralyzed. You're an amazing creature, Spider-Man. You and I are not so different. Well,
Antok ka na, Spider-Man?
I chose my
Ha? Antok na yung Spider-Man ko?
and they found you were useful for a while. The people of the city. But the one thing they love more than a hero is to see a hero fail, fall, die trying. In spite of everything you've done for them, eventually they will.
Bakit?
Nagro yun?
Here's the real truth. There are 8 billion people in this city, and those teeming masses exist for the sole purpose of lifting the feeble exceptional people onto their shoulders. You me? We're exceptional. I could squash you like a bug right now, but I'm not.
No running, please. Baka madulas ka, nak, ha? Spider-Man. Baka madulas ka, Spider-Man.
What we could create, or we could destroy, cause the deaths of countless innocents and separate them again and again and again until we're both dead. Is that what you want? Think about it, hero!
Madulas ka dyan, nak.
In spite of everything you've done for them, eventually they will hate you.
Antok ka na, Spider-Man? Antok na yung Spider-Man ko? Spider-Man. Let's sleep na. Sleep na tayo, nak.
Ayaw.
Why? Paano ka mag-yellow milk? Eh, may mask ka. Spider-Man. Careful ka dyan, ha. Madulas, ha.
How's it going? Never mind.
Saan na pumunta si Spider-Man? Init. No running, please.
Kaya, hinaharapan mo ko. Sabi na.
You have a knack for getting in trouble.
You have an act for saving my life. I think I have a superhero stocking.
Papa, picture.
You are amazing.
Papa.
Pa,
So,
Some people don't think so.
My cell phone.
Apo, ito na.
My cell phone.
Tell mama. So she knows what it really is.
Mama,
Mm.
get it. My cell phone.
Where? I don't know where.
Uy, wag na pa. Hindi na buha. Paano? Huwag mag-try.
No running, please.
Paano? Wah! Hanapin mo, Spider-Man kayo.
Ano ba nilagay?
Hindi ko lang.
Oo, sa'yo. Buti na ang gulang.
Ay,
Tulog ako eh. Hindi ko alam love nasan. Nag-bike na si Spider-Man. Tama.